In an earlier video, I showed the installation of the Yakima Slim Shady awning on the side of my Mitsubishi Delica Campervan. I also explained that I had to mount the awning on the side of the roof rack because I have limited height at the place where I park my campervan. This side mount of the awning does leave a sizable gap between the awning and the roof of the van where rain can come through. One way to deal with this is to have a mini awning to close this gap. I was intending to build a mini awning anyways, with the idea that I may not always want to deploy the full-sized awning, such as if I'm making a quick stop for a night on a long drive. So in this video, I'm going to make a mini awning that can be deployed in less than a minute, and it will serve both purposes of preventing rain from coming in the side door when the main awning is not deployed, and prevent rain from coming through the gap when the main awning is deployed. First, I install a short section of aluminum tube to the front edge of the front roof rack crossbar and to the back edge of the rear crossbar. I'm going to secure them to the aerodynamic crossbars with 3-inch adjustable hose clamps. Free-forming the hose clamp helps to position the aluminum tube at the edge of the crossbar as the clamps are tightened. It can be a bit fiddly to get the tubes to stay in position, but they are pretty secure once the clamps are fully tightened. With the tubes in place, I measure the distance between them at 71 3/4 inches, and now I'm ready to make the fabric awning. I'm using 40D waterproof ripstop nylon, and will make the awning 72 inches long and 33 inches wide. This is big enough to provide rain coverage for the sliding door, while not being too big to store in the van and not being too large that it catches a lot of wind when deployed. I'm using tent poles from an old retired backpacking tent in sleeves sewn into the ends of the awning. Here is first use of the awning on a camping trip in the rainforest. It slips into position pretty quickly and tightly, providing coverage over the sliding door and closing up the gap of the main awning. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please subscribe and check out other videos in my campervan conversion playlist.